Hi everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you a very simple breathing exercise, breathing technique, which is called the box breathing. And in the box breathing we basically have 4 components. That's why we call it a box, like a square breathing technique. So we're going to be inhaling on a count of 4, inhaling through our nose, then holding your breath for a count of 4, then exhaling on a count of 4, again holding your breath with empty lungs on a count of 4, and starting again. So we're going to inhale, hold the breath, and then exhale, hold the breath, and then again inhale. So we are going to practice this together, but this is a very good breathing technique just in general for releasing any stress or tensions, just relaxing your mind and increasing your focus. And it's something good, for example, to practice before going to bed. And it's a very simple one. And to begin, you can find yourself in a comfortable seated position. Maybe you can also sit on a chair if that works better for you, or you can sit on your yoga mat, cross-legged. And just try to find a comfortable seated position where you feel like your spine is straight and your shoulders are relaxed. You can also lean up against the wall if that helps you to keep your spine straight and support your spine. And maybe just roll your shoulders up and back a few times just to really relax them. And you can first start by taking a few deep breaths. So inhaling deeply through your nose. And then exhaling as well through your nose. Take one more deep breath. Inhale through the nose. And then exhale through the nose. Great. And we will begin. So with the box breathing, we're now going to be counting to 4 and inhaling to the count of 4, holding for a count of 4, exhaling with a count of 4, and again holding our breath for the count of 4. So we will begin. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath. 2, 3, 4. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath. 2, 3, 4. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath. 2, 3, 4. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath. 2, 3, 4. And exhale. 2, 3, 4. Perfect. So that is the square breathing technique or the box breathing technique. Something very easy to practice whenever you have time. You can do as many rounds as you wish or whatever feels good. And also just see what works for you in terms of the duration or the length of your inhales and exhales. So you can even start by practicing this with just counting or inhaling on a count of 2, holding your breath for a count of 2, exhaling 2, and then continuing like that. And maybe then slowly as you progress, you'll be making the duration a little bit longer. But the point of the square breathing technique is that the length of the inhale and holding your breath and the exhale is always the same. So if you choose to have 2, just have 2 for all of them, or 4, inhaling on a 4, holding the breath for 4, exhaling 4, and then again with empty lungs holding for 4. So just see whatever works for you and just practice this with your own time. And I hope you find this beneficial and really find the kind of calming effects that this technique has.